Most guys think confidence is something you're either born with or you're not. They see someone crushing it in life, talking to anyone, taking risks, owning the room, and assume that's just how they are. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't a gift. It's a skill. And just like any skill, it can be learned, trained, and mastered. The problem? Most guys are building confidence the wrong way. Chasing quick fixes, fake it till you make it, or waiting for some magical moment when they'll finally feel ready. Spoiler, that moment never comes. In this video, we're breaking down the science-backed methods to build real, unshakable confidence. Fast. Let's dive in. If you've ever struggled with confidence, you've probably tried the classic fake it till you make it approach. You force yourself to act confident, hoping it'll eventually feel real. But deep down, you still feel like an imposter. You're overthinking every interaction, second-guessing yourself, and waiting for someone to call you out. Why? Because fake confidence is built on a shaky foundation. It's like putting a band-aid on a broken leg. It might look okay from the outside, but it's not fixing the problem. Here's the hard truth. Real confidence doesn't come from pretending. It comes from proof. Proof that you can handle whatever life throws at you. Think about the last time you felt truly confident. Was it when you were pretending to be someone you're not? Probably not. It was when you knew you had the skills, the experience, or the preparation to succeed. That's the key. Confidence is earned through action, not affirmation. So how do you build that proof? Start small. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. But you don't start by bench pressing 300 pounds. You start with the bar. If social situations make you nervous, don't jump into a room full of strangers. Start by saying hi to one person. If you're scared of failure, don't bet everything on one big risk. Take a small step outside your comfort zone and build from there. Every win, no matter how small, is proof that you can do it. And over time, those small wins add up to unshakable confidence. Here's a fact that sounds too simple to be true. Confidence isn't about being fearless. It's about taking action despite the fear. Fear never goes away. Even the most confident guys feel it. The difference is, they don't let it stop them. They feel the fear and do it anyway. Why? Because they've trained their brain to trust themselves. And you can do the same. One of the fastest ways to build confidence is through something called exposure therapy. It's a fancy term for facing your fears head on. The more you expose yourself to the things that scare you, the less power they have over you. Think about it like this. If you're scared of public speaking, the first time you get on stage, your heart is racing, your palms are sweating, and your mind is blank. But the 10th time, it's still nerve-wracking. But you know you can handle it. Why? Because you've done it before. You've built proof. But here's the catch. Exposure only works if you're actually learning from it. If you keep doing the same thing and failing the same way, you're not building confidence, you're reinforcing doubt. That's where feedback comes in. After every attempt, ask yourself, what went well? What didn't? What can I do better next time? This turns every experience, good or bad, into a stepping stone toward confidence. Now, let's talk about the biggest confidence killer, comparison. Social media has turned life into a highlight reel. You see guys with perfect bodies, perfect careers, and perfect lives, and you think, why can't I be like that? But here's the truth. Comparison is a trap. It's like trying to run a race while carrying someone else's backpack. You're weighing yourself down with expectations that aren't even yours. The only person you should be comparing yourself to is the person you were yesterday. So, how do you break free from comparison? Focus on your own journey. Set goals that matter to you, not to anyone else. Track your progress. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. And remember, confidence isn't about being better than anyone else. It's about being the best version of yourself. All right, let's get practical. Here are 3 actionable steps to start building confidence today. 1. Take micro actions. Do one thing every day that scares you, even if it's small. Compliment a stranger. Ask a question in a meeting. Take the first step toward a goal you've been putting off. 2. Track your wins. Keep a confidence journal. Write down every win, no matter how small. Over time, you'll see proof of your growth. 3. Seek feedback, not validation. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow, not just tell you what you want to hear. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being willing to try, fail, and try again. It's about knowing that no matter what happens, you'll figure it out. And the best part? You don't have to wait for it. You can start building it today. So what's your first step?